Hi, I am Imal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is integral. This is a definite integral by substitution method. Here what is the problem is 0 to prove that 0 to pi by 2 d theta divided by a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta equal to pi by 2ab. You have to prove this. This is a 2013 and 11th important question. So first we have to, that is 0 to pi by 2. Here the comparing to numerator, denominator is big. So first we have to that is do some arrangements. Then here that is we have to divide by cos square theta, and the numerator also divide by cos square theta, denominator also divide by cos square theta. So 1 by cos square theta equal to secant square theta. Here divide by cos square theta, a square plus b square tan square theta d theta. Next here put tan theta. To remove this tan theta, we have to put tan theta equal to t. So secant square theta d theta equal to dt. So now what it becomes next, while we were using some parameters, we have to change the limit also. So when theta equal to pi by 2, what implies what is t? T equal to tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2. So t equal to tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 is infinity. So t equal to infinity. When theta equal to 0, what is t? T equal to tan 0. Tan 0 is 0. So now the limit change to 0 to infinity. So now we have to apply, that is 0 to infinity. What is secant square theta d theta? That is equal to dt divided by a square plus b square. Then tan theta equal to t. Tan theta equal to t. So that is t square. A square plus b square t square. Now next what we have to do is, here that is in the place of t square we are having the constant b square. So to eliminate b square, we have to divide this one, that is 0 to infinity dt divided by, that is b square. We have to take outside, therefore it is equal to 1 by b square. We have to take outside. So dt divided by a by b the whole square. A by b the whole square plus t square. A by b the whole square. Now here we are going to apply the tan inverse x. Tan inverse x equal to, what is the formula? Tan inverse integral tan inverse x equal to, dt by a square plus x square, dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So we are going to use this formula. So in the place of a we are having a by b the whole square. In the place of x you are having t. Therefore it is equal to 1 by b square. Then here 1 by a by b. 1 by a by b tan inverse x. In the place of x you are having t. And a in the place of a you are having a by b. So now what is the limit? 0 to infinity. Therefore now we have to apply infinity. 1 by b square. Here tan inverse t equal to infinity. So tan inverse infinity, when it is we get infinity, that is equal to pi by 2. So pi by this one b went to up. Therefore tan inverse infinity by a by b, that is equal to, so tan inverse infinity 1 by b square. Here 1 by a, that is b by a, 1 by b by a tan inverse infinity, this one tan inverse 0. Therefore tan inverse infinity equal to pi by 2. So 1 by b square into b by a into pi by 2. So that is equal to pi divided by 2 2ab. So we have to prove we have to prove is pi by 2ab. So we get the result. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.